Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in the day 333, and as we were discussing regarding significance of Google Scholar for researchers, so we'll start with our first point, that is overview. Now Google Scholar consists of author's name, designation, verified email ID, area of interest, follow button, title of the publication, individual citation, year of publication, total citation, H index, I10 index, bar graph, button to create your own profile, and co-author's profile. So we'll discuss each and every point one by one in details, and by viewing the platform, by viewing the dashboard. So every researcher must have their Google Scholar profile. Now I will repeat this in my every dosage, that every researcher must have their Google Scholar profile, so that it gets incorporated in your mind, and definitely you will take the decision to make your own profile. So let's start with our overview. Now what you have to do is to type simple Google Scholar in google.com. You'll get this dashboard. Now what you have to do, you have to write any author's name, your desirable author's name. Suppose here I will write my name for the reference. Now Rohini Singh. Okay. Now I'll click on search. You can see there are 3 profiles that are visible here. So my profile is Dr. Rohini Singh. Second profile. So you can see here by institute name you can sort out. Now just click on this and you can see here my name, designation, verified email ID, area of interest, follow button. If you want to follow me, you can click here. Now get your own profile button, as I have discussed earlier. Now if you scroll down, you can see the publication details. Now citation, individual citation, year of publication. Now if you come to the right side, you can see citations, H index, I10 index. These are the total citation. Now since 2021 also you can see here. If you come down, you can see the bar graph, and if you click on this graph, you can see the exact citation. Now if you come down, you can see the co-author's profile also. So hope you understood the point, hope you understood this dashboard, and we'll discuss each and every point in details in the upcoming dosage, few of my upcoming dosage. So till then, work hard. Thanks a lot.